In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your ClickUp account. We'll start inside the inbox, which is the hub where notifications and assigned work surface. From your ClickUp interface, head to the inbox view so you're looking at your most up-to-date activity. This keeps you in context while you create what we need next. Now, look for the plus icon. This is your quick create menu for starting new items. Click that plus icon to open the creation options. Instead of creating a task or a doc, we're setting up a higher-level container. Choose Space from the list. A space is one of the top layers of organization in ClickUp, perfect for grouping related teams, functions, or projects. When the Space Setup window appears, give your space a clear, memorable name. Type in Creatives. Consistent naming makes it easier for everyone on your team to recognize what belongs here, and all future lists, tasks, and views will live under this space. To accelerate setup, we'll base this space on a pre-built configuration. Click Use Templates. Templates save time by importing structure, fields, statuses, and example views, so you don't have to configure everything from scratch. In the template library, search for or locate the Agency Management template. Select Agency Management. Note that this option requires an active subscription that includes premium templates. If your plan supports it, you'll be able to proceed. This template is designed for client and project operations, which often aligns well with creative workflows that span briefs, production, review, and delivery. Next, click Use Template to open it with the default settings. This starts the process of applying the template's structure to the space you just named. You'll typically see a brief overview so you know what's being added, such as statuses, custom fields, and lists tailored for agency-style management. Finally, confirm by clicking Use Template again. This imports the template into your new Creatives space. The process may take a moment depending on your plan and the size of the template. When it's done, you'll have an organized space populated with ready-made lists and workflows, so you can get moving immediately without manual setup. That's it. You navigated to Inbox, used the Quick Create menu to start a space, named it Creatives, and applied the Agency Management template. From here, you're ready to tailor details to your team's needs, keep everything organized in one place, and streamline delivery across your creative work.